How to fix the error virtualization is enabled in BIOS and virtual machine platform is turned on for your PC. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you're getting this error of virtualization, here are some methods that you can try to fix the issue. When you're trying to start the Windows subsystem for Android, if you're getting this issue, first of all what you can do is enable virtualization in BIOS. For this, you have to shut down your computer, turn it back on and enter the BIOS setting. The key to enter the BIOS varies from manufacturer. Often it is set as F2, F10, del key or the escape key. Look for a message during startup that indicates the correct key. Once in BIOS, navigate to the CPU configuration settings and enable virtualization. It could depend upon your processor such as Intel VT, X or AMD V. Now you just have to save and exit the BIOS. This is one process. Likewise, the next step that you can apply is opening the virtual machine platform. For this, tap on the search bar and type in turn on or off with the Windows feature. Once you click on it, it will open another tab. But before that, it might ask you for the permission. Make sure to click on yes, and once that is done, in the Windows features window, scroll down and check for the box Virtual Machine Platform. Then click on OK and let Windows apply all the changes. Once this is done, as a last step, you might have to restart your computer and the issue should be fixed. If the issue persists, double check that all steps were completed correctly and virtualization is indeed enabled. That is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.